everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today is my Pan That Polish update for November. Like I've been saying all month, this is the last update before the finale and I am really excited about this project because I've really enjoyed it. And a lot of you guys voted in the last video on whether or not I'll be doing this project again next year, and you guys want to see it. So we will be doing this project again next year, and again, I'm very excited because I just feel like this has been the most successful I've ever been with finishing nail polishes. A lot of you guys already know the rules. We're panning some nail polishes here. I'm doing this with my friend Josie, who I'll have down in the description, and now let's just hop into this final update before the finale. So you guys know I have 3 polishes in at a time, and I'm gonna go through the first one because this one is actually one we're rolling out and I feel really good about it and also a little sad. So this is the Essie nail polish in Touch Up, which I've had in for a few months now. And as you can see, it has we started way up here, like way up at the top, and we are down here right now. And you're probably thinking there's still nail polish in there though, but it is so goopy. I actually, the other day to use it, I had to like pour it out and it came out like stringy. It was kind of gross. But I actually painted my nails with this on my fingers, and I had to take it off after like just half a day because it just wasn't like setting right on my nails. So this nail polish is done. I did end up finishing it one more time. I mixed it with one of the other nail polishes and put it on my toes, and they mixed okay, but I did end up using more of the other nail polish to mix in. That way it would kind of fix this. But yeah, this guy has gotten kind of goopy and gross at the bottom, so it is officially done, which makes this, I think, our 3rd or 4th nail polish that we finished this year. I'm really excited to see my empties for the year because I'm pretty sure it's 3 or 4 nail polishes this year, which is amazing. Moving into my second nail polish, it's this guy. It's another Essie nail polish, and this is in the color Splash of Grenadine, right? Splash of Grenadine. And as you can see, we have 2 marks. We started out here at this red mark and now we are here. So I didn't make a ton of progress, pretty decent progress since the first update it was in, but I don't think I marked for last month. So I don't think it's moved much from last month because like there would have been barely any movement there. But I did end up mixing this with that previous nail polish and put it on my toes. So this is on my toes currently. And I did paint my fingernails with this, I think, once. I'm pretty sure it was just once. So again, I didn't use a ton of this, but it did get used at least a couple times. And I think before the finale, we will be very, very close to being done with this, hopefully. Probably not 100% done with it yet. This nail polish doesn't feel like it's getting goopy or anything yet. So I think I'll be very, very close to the bottom, but I don't think I'll be 100% done with this. But I'm very excited that we'll be so close because all of my nail polishes, for the most part, all of the Essie ones are really, really old in my collection. 3rd nail polish is one we rolled in last month, and I have a ton of progress on this already because I was painting my nails with this constantly. This was basically my main nail polish color all month, so I got a lot of progress, and it is my KL polish in the color Graham, which is this really nice cool tone gray. As you can see, we started out up here, and it has moved right down there already, which isn't a huge amount of progress in the grand scheme of things, but for only 1 month of having this in, I feel really, really happy about this progress. I love this color. I think it's perfect for winter. I think it's really good for fall and winter, so this will probably be one I will roll into next year's project as well, like immediately, because I just really, really like this shade of nail polish, and I could definitely see myself finishing this. And then, this is a little ambitious, but because I finished this guy, or because it died on me a little bit towards the end, I am gonna roll in another nail polish. I don't have high hopes for like making huge progress. I honestly can't even see the demarcation line at this point because I don't know if I've used very much of this. But this is so old. I've had this for a really long time, and as you can see, my nails are painted in this color. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Last nail color in the color, what color are you? Haze of Love. I don't even know if they make this nail polish anymore. I think I've had this since right after I graduated from college in like 2012. So this is old. I mean, I used it today and it worked perfectly fine. The smell is a little strong, but I don't remember if it was just strong to begin with or if it's strong because it's old. It just smells like nail polish. But yeah, I've had this for so long. I was like, you know what? This is a good time of the year to roll this in. Let me get some more use out of this because I don't remember the last time I've painted my nails with this color. And I do remember liking it. I think it is really, really pretty. It's just a nice dark burgundy red. It's really nice. I like it a lot. So I figured we'd roll it in. Again, I can't see a demarcation line on this guy yet because I don't think there is one. So I think this is a relatively full bottle, and I would love to just see some progress on it before the end of the year. I would love to show you guys a demarcation line at some point. So hopefully by the finale we can see a little bit of movement and see that I've used this, which would be fun. So rolling this guy in for the finale just to see what happens, and it will more than likely be rolled in next year at the beginning. So very excited about it. That guy needs to, because it needs to go. It's been here a while. And that, guys, is the entire last update for my Pan That Polish for this year. I'm super excited for the finale. I'm just thrilled that I've actually finished at least one nail polish this year. But to finish 3 nail polishes in a year, that has to be like a world record, right? Guinness, call me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all are doing well. Again, if you are in the United States, happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. After this video is going up, not technically tomorrow, but tomorrow after this video goes up is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to you. I am so thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for engaging and interacting with my content and for giving me another great year here on YouTube. If you're traveling, be safe, be kind to each other, and I will see you back next week. Remember, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you in my next video. Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up in the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your